Well, good morning, guys. So today's Thursday. Got my daughter with me. What, baby? Okay. So we are headed to check out a truck. So today's Thursday. As of Saturday, most likely the Freightliner that I still own, I've never put on the road, will be sold. I never really put that on the road because business plans kind of change. I've talked about this in previous videos. Like, we started hauling light freight, started hauling less cars, because the plan for that trailer was going to be hauling like a 5 or 6 car trailer. That truck's a little underpowered for that, but I could have made it happen. But plans kind of changed with the business and just the way things kind of turned out, and I never put it on the road. So I did finally find somebody who is going to show up on Saturday, hopefully. And what, baby? Okay. And then gonna show up on Saturday and purchase it. We already agreed on a price and things like that, so that should all be good. But now I'm going to look at a truck that is for when I said I wanted to put a couple day cabs on the road hauling aggregate. Going to potentially look at a truck to buy for that. So we're gonna head over there. It's at a shop. It does need work, but I may be able to get it cheap enough that it's justified in purchasing and putting the work into it and then putting it on the road. What I've come to find in this business is it's easier to find people that can be home every night or every day than it is to put somebody over the road. So that's kind of why we're gonna change a couple things with that. But let's go there and see what we got. Boys, 98 Freightliner FL70 was an expediting truck at one point. Hotshot New England has this exact same truck. It's got a 3126 cat under the hood with about 60,000 miles. They put a reman motor in it. The guy who I bought this from put a reman motor in it. He was using it to... Alright, so here's the truck. Freightliner day cab. It's got good tires on it. I've been checking this thing out here. It's got good newer tires on it. This thing has really low miles on it. It's got a hydraulic. I gotta see what this company pulled with this, but it's got a Thermoflow hydraulic system on it, which is nice. Could be nice for what this would be used for. Look, brakes look good. I don't see any wheel seals leaking. It's got a new brake chamber on this side. Everything seems to be greased good on this, like it had been somewhat maintained. Now, I don't want to put the company information in it, but it's got a compound turbo cat in it, and it's got damage, so that's what we're looking at here. It's hitting the front. It's gonna need a hood, headlights, bumper, charge air cooler, condenser. The fan and shroud probably. We're gonna cut the belt off of this to start this thing up. But yeah, it's had a recent service on it. It's only got like 250,000 miles on it. Everything looks pretty clean. We're gonna cut the belt off and start it. But Acert cat, you know, just everything kind of looks clean. Everything's been properly greased and maintained. You can see the shroud's broke right there. The fan's hitting the shroud. So, let me get that belt cut off of it, and let me hop up in here. I gave him the key back, but we're gonna start it. Honestly, this thing has been, it's just missing like some small interior pieces, which isn't a big deal. And relatively speaking, being a company truck, it's pretty clean. Got 10-speed in it. So a big thing would be that I don't think they want to fix it. Obviously, it's at a body shop, so I think they're going to be looking to sell it. They want a price on what I would offer for it the way it is. So we will. There's my truck. We'll see what they want for it. And I'm trying to find I'm trying to find something comparable, so I can find something comparable minus the insurance quote, because it already has 2 insurance quotes written on this truck. So we'll see what it does, or what it comes out to. All right, now that the belt's cut off of this thing, let's start her up, see how she sounds. I could stand out here all day in truck spot here. So it's only got 200 and some thousand on it. See if it builds up air pressure. All right, so went ahead and looked at that truck today, and I'm gonna shoot the guy an email that is handling this whole wanting to sell before the insurance claim type deal. Now, I feel like it's a big company. They're probably just trying to offload it, which we'll have to see if we're even close on price. So what I try to do is find something comparable, like year, model, engine, mileage, everything like that, and then subtract what it needs to see if we're even in the ballpark range. We may be close. He may be. I don't like people that are like, well, what would you give for it? You kind of got to tell me like what you want for it and see if we're even remotely close. So we'll see, and we'll see you guys on the next video. May have ourselves our first tandem day cab. We'll see.